Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll walk you through a bug bounty report I submitted that was triaged as P3. The program scope, for example star.target.com, did not technically include the asset I found, but during my research I discovered a link on docs.google.com that provided access to an internal asset. While this wasn't strictly in scope, the vendor accepted the report because of its potential impact. I was rewarded $600 for this finding. I started by reviewing public resources, including a GitHub repository related to the program, and I systematically mapped features and endpoints to understand the surface area. During that process I noticed several publicly indexed references to docs.google.com. I only examined what was publicly accessible and made no attempts to access private content. One of those links appeared to grant access to an internal asset. I want to be clear, I did not access any private data or exploit the asset in any way. Recognizing the sensitivity of what I had found, I immediately stopped further interaction. Here's the high-level process I followed: review public resources, note any unexpected exposures, stop immediately if you encounter private or internal content, document your observations with redacted evidence and timestamps, and submit a responsible report to the organization. This is to help them fix the issue, not to enable exploitation. I documented my observations carefully, including timestamps and redacted screenshots showing only the domain, so the vendor could validate the problem without exposing private data. I submitted a concise disclosure containing the redacted evidence and non-technical reproduction notes for their internal investigation. The vendor reviewed the submission, accepted it as valid, and triaged it as a P3 finding because of its potential impact. The key lesson I took away is this: formal scope examples like star.target.com matter, but what matters more is the impact on the organization. If a vulnerability can directly affect their assets, operations, or security, it may be accepted and addressed even if it's technically out of scope. Always document findings carefully, follow ethical guidelines, and report responsibly. That's how high-impact issues get recognized and fixed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more bug bounty related videos.